RentPackage, the free advertising online rent management platform. Sign a contract online. Manage your tenant, manage your available house, and manage your rent collection. www.rentpackage.com.
Hello everyone, I'm Pak. Today, I'm going to teach you how to put up a shelf. Tools and materials: wood board, hammer, spirit level, wood screws, hammer drill, wall plug screws, rechargeable electric drill, brackets. Before we start, let me introduce the tools we need for today. This is a rechargeable electric drill. This is a hammer drill. This is a wall plug screw, mainly used for walls. This is a wood screw, mainly used for wood boards. After introducing the tools, let's get started. First, choose a spot for your shelf. Then make sure it's horizontal with a spirit level. If the surface is level, the bubble will be centered. Next, use the hammer drill to drill the fixed point. When drilling the hole, keep your drill bit straight. Put the screw through the bracket, then put the wall plug on it. Fix it on the wall, then hammer it into the wall. Repeat the move for the upper hole. The bracket part is done. Take out the wood screw. You could use a screwdriver or rechargeable electric drill. Lastly, drive the screws into the wood board. It's done. That's all for today.
This video is brought to you by RentPackage Technology.